These cookies are easy to prepare and absolutely delicious. Crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Start by preheating the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. To a bowl, add melted unsalted butter. This adds to the chewy texture of the cookies. Add brown sugar. This adds a lovely caramel flavor. Add white sugar. This makes the cookies crispy. Then add salt to balance the flavor. One whole egg and 1 egg yolk. And lastly, vanilla extract. Mix together until well combined. Now add the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour and baking soda. The baking soda helps the cookies to spread and not do much of rising. Mix until well combined.
If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much.
At this point, add the Easter eggs or any chocolate of choice. Mix together. Once the batter is ready, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, roll into balls and place on a baking tray. Finish by adding some Easter eggs on top. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 10 to 12 minutes. Once baked, allow in the tray to cool down for 10 minutes. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and until next time, remain blessed.